All right, we're here at Edwards, and we're just going to take a little tour around the ramp while we're waiting on our boy Jacob there to get the plane together. And this thing is up on a mesa, and it was interesting coming in because the town was very much below you, and then the airport was right there beside you. But here is another old V-tail, kind of from our era of vintage there. It's probably a little bit older than ours, but got a heck of a stack of electronics in there. Got about the same thing we do. It's probably a 60s model. I am no aficionado on those, so don't tear me up in the comments over that. It is what it is, you know. Cool looking little old plane. Paint job still looks good. Got you. Is that a 310 out here on the ramp? You know, I look at planes all the time, and these things to buy don't seem that much, and then when you start looking at the engines and the cost of everything else, it gets expensive quick. This thing's pretty nice. It's got a nice stack of electronics in there. Got you 182 or 206? Probably 182s, right? That's 206 over there because there's an extra door. It's May, so it's really not that cold, man. I'm out here in shorts, but out here on this big adventure, Canada, in a couple of hours. And man, I mean, your ability to see forever out here is crazy, how big that all is.